This is the extraction of Americium-241 from a smoke detector chamber. This element right here is the 95th element on the periodic table, and I heard it's 10,000 times more radioactive than uranium. And I will be extracting it from the smoke detector. Hello. Behind the scenes, I have tore this open and pried it up. Let's show you guys what's inside of here. Right up here is where the chip would have went. And here looks like a little, like maybe silicon chip or something. Now here is the chip itself. And I'm getting kind of hungry. And now I'm gonna die.